आएगा वेलकम द पाकिस्तानी फैमिली रिएक्शन।
तो कैसे हैं आप सब? मेरा नाम वजाहत है।
नानाजी
यार भाई साहब भारत में आ चुके हैं अंग्रेज दिवाली सेलिब्रेट करने और वो दिवाली सेलिब्रेशन देखकर पागल हो गए हैं भाई साहब।
अंग्रेज
अबे
क्या बोल रहे हो
यार हमारे तो भाई ईद पे कोई आना पसंद नहीं करता पाकिस्तान में।
या तो यकीन कर मेरी उम्र 50 साल होगी, मैंने कभी अंग्रेजों को नहीं देखा कि
ये-
घर ईद मनाई हो उन्होंने।
हाँ और भाई देखो इंडिया में भाई साहब अंग्रेज
सेलिब्रेशन करने के लिए अंग्रेज पहुंच चुके दिवाली।
भाई साहब कड़ा ऑन करते तिड़वाना एंड स्टार्ट
Up and ready for Diwali, we headed off to grab some boxes of sweets to give as gifts. We went back to our guest house to finish getting ready. Weirdly, we noticed that the streets were fairly calm and there were not as many people outside as we would have expected for this celebration. Maybe people are celebrating at home, ready to come out this evening. This is why we are so excited to see what really happens at Diwali inside people's homes.
Looking good, Liam.
Thank you. Thought I'd get a kurta for the occasion. I did pick up a red one. I thought I'd go red this time, but Janine said it won't match her sari, so I'm wearing blue again.
Oh, it looks really nice.
But I'm not wearing my hat, and I'm making an effort. But I am wearing shorts. But I thought it's hot. I can't wear trousers in the seat. I can't do it.
No.
So this is my compromise.
We hopped in a cab and headed to Purva's family home. Purva is a friend who we met in Pondicherry on New Year's Eve, and more recently she gave us an incredible tour of Pune city. Her family kindly invited us to spend Diwali with them, which we feel is such an honour. En route, we noticed people carrying sugar canes, which we later found out is a tradition at Diwali and of the area, as it's a sugar manufacturing part of the country. Having no idea what to expect, we met Purva, who was looking absolutely stunning in her sari. We firstly headed off to see the toy fort that had been made by the children in the local area. Making forts is another Maharashtra Diwali tradition, as there's many forts in the state. The kids seem to make it a competition to see who can build the biggest. After, we headed off to Purva's apartment.
Hello. Oh, amazing. That's so pretty. Oh, and that one as well. Amazing. I'm gonna wreck it. Hello, happy Diwali.
कितनी खूबसूरत रंगोली बनी।
Thank you.
बहुत खूबसूरत वजाहत।
How nice it is in here. It's so cozy.
Beautiful in here. Absolutely gorgeous.
Cute, have a seat.
Purva's family apartment was absolutely gorgeous, with an amazing balcony area overlooking Pune. The apartment felt very calming, reflecting the characters of this wonderful family we are about to spend the evening with. After meeting the family and Purva putting a jasmine garland in my hair, they offered us some Diwali snacks.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
I have to take your word for that because it's at the back of my head.
You'll smell it though.
Making some tea, we have soya milk.
Oh, do you? Thank you.
That's amazing.
You've got two crazy vegans around your house. First time we've had soy milk inside at home.
Oh, that's such a lovely cup of tea. It's really nice.
The traditional thing you have at this time of year for Diwali.
One of the Diwali snacks it is.
Oh, thank you so much.
Made up of flattened rice, poha.
Oh, it's like poha. Oh, nice. So this is
Poha, chivda.
chivda.
Yeah, chivda.
Chivda, which is like CHIVDA. Yeah, chivda. Flattened rice, like the poha that we had the other day, but in a dry form with like nuts and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah, coconuts and yeah, and you just sort of like scoop it up and put it on your hand and like that. Yeah. Cool. Thank you so much.
Eat it with a spoon.
Eat it with a spoon.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's fine.
It's like a Diwali snack.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they made us a soya masala chai, which is incredible. It's the first time we've been offered a soya masala chai in anyone's home. And one thing we've noticed in India is they have salty food with tea,
Yeah.
which is like something that we just don't do in England at all. But it really works. It really, especially when it's hot outside.
अबे घरों में ऐसी चीजें किधर है? हाँ उधर
What a combination! You got to try some, Janine.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, that's actually homemade. That's homemade, is it?
Homemade.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, it's incredible! It's so tasty.
Delicious. Oh,
I don't know why I thought like it'd be in a packet or something. But no, that's incredible.
that is so good.
As we were eating our salty snacks and soya masala chai, Purva's sister Puja was carrying some candles to the front door. Curiosity took over us and we went to see what she was doing.
So part of their tradition is putting candles on the rangolis
What do you reckon?
Outside, I'll show you because I can't explain it very well.
रंगोली में ये रखे जा
So yeah, they're ready to start puja and we're going to join in, which is really cool. And actually incredible that they've invited us to do this.
There is puja of Mahalakshmi, goddess of
Lakshmi.
prosperity.
Okay.
अब ये पूजा करते माता
Yes, we call it Shubha Muhurta.
Happy Mutta.
Shubha means
Auspicious.
Oh, auspicious time. Shubha is. Okay.
Can you explain?
This is a puja at a specific time in the day for Diwali.
Puja is a worship ritual performed by Hindus to offer devotional prayer and homage to certain gods and deities. And this specific puja is done every year at 7:30 on Diwali, which means right now, all over India, millions of people will be sat in this very fashion doing just this. Well, not every Indian, as there are still huge amounts of fireworks going off, whilst Purva's mum and sister were chanting Sanskrit. Sanskrit being one of the oldest languages in the world, and the family explained that we are being bathed in vibrations from the words. And for us, it felt very calming and peaceful. We sat for half an hour going through various rituals for Ganesh, Saraswati and Lakshmi, and we enjoyed every minute of it. We can't allude to understand everything that was being done, but it felt very special, and not once did we feel like strangers, but actually part of the family.
चन्द्रां प्रभासां यशसा ज्वलन्तीं श्रियं लोके देवजुष्टामुदारां तां पद्मिनीमीं शरणमहं प्रपद्ये अलक्ष्मीर्मे नश्यतां त्वां वृणे आदित्यवर्णे तपसोऽधिजातो वनस्पतिस्तव वृक्षोऽधबिल्वः तस्य फलानि तपसानुदन्तु.
Wow, what an experience that was. That was our first home puja. Our first home puja. It was amazing. Thank you for Diwali. And now apparently it's time for firecrackers. That's Pune.
Look at the fireworks! Oh my god, it's like a war started here. All of a sudden, in the last 5 minutes, it's just gone crazy everywhere, in every direction. It's just fireworks, literally, all over the city, inside the buildings, outside the buildings. So cool. Wow! It's like landed on my head.
It is completely insane.
They were flying, one hit the car just over there.
You hit the car.
Yeah! They were coming back.
Ricocheting off trees and cars everywhere.
It's chaos.
It's absolute. I've never seen anything like this before, ever. You know, like back home, we have the sparklers that we use. That's what we use to light the fireworks here.
Yeah, I know.
They're not like their own source of entertainment. Anything that lights the fireworks. There is just no order to it at all. It's just chaos.
That one's so scary.
That's one of those ones. You're gonna put it on the floor.
That's the worst
Do
one.
you want to light one? You're gonna put it on the floor and then light the end there.
I don't know if I want to do it.
Okay, I'll do it.
I'm a bit scared. Oh yeah, no, I'll do it.
I'll get you a sparkler.
I'm not going to do it. I'll only catch my sari on fire. Go on, Liam.
हमने आपको देखा ये भी दिया
यार ये मुझे यार
ये मिला ये खुशियाँ मिलती हैं हमारे पास तो खुशी का नामो निशान नजर नहीं आता
इधर तो पाकिस्तान में नर्क लगा है यार इधर हुई है वीडियो आतम भाई क्या मैसिव सेलिब्रेशन हुई है भाई साहब इंडिया के अंदर और अंग्रेज तो भाई कहने पे पागल हो गए भाई साहब हमने ऐसी चीज आज तक कहीं भी नहीं
पूरी जिंदगी में नहीं देखी
यार आप भाई साहब गए हो एक इंडियन फैमिली में ओ भाई वो लग नहीं रहा था कि वो पराये लोग हैं भाई साहब आपके साथ कोई मतलब पराये जैसा व्यवहार कर रहे हैं इनको अपने घर जैसा बना के रखा इनके साथ पटाखे फोड़े इनको भाई पटाखे फोड़ने के लिए अंग्रेजों को दिए वो भी भाई भाग भाग के जा रहे हैं पटाखे
अपने हाथों से देखना
हाँ।
और कितनी खुशी की बात है भैया उनके देखो माथे पे टीका लगाया है उनके लड़की के बालों पे पीछे फूल लगाए
हाँ
यार उनके साथ वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको यार पटाखे छोड़े
हाँ पटाखे छोड़े फिर उसके भाई साहब उससे पहले पूजा की पहले सब कुछ परफॉर्म किया फिर उसके बाद गए जब उन्होंने जो पटाखे अंग्रेज पागल भाई साहब ये आसमान में बन के गया है जैसी पूजा हुई है तो
यार ये तो
मुझे लगता है रात को सेलिब्रेशन से पहले होती है माता लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा
हाँ।
पूजा करने के बाद फिर छोड़े जाते हैं
हाँ
पटाखे
ये बात तो हमारी बिल्कुल ठीक है बिल्कुल पूजा के बाद
क्योंकि जैसे
पटाखे
ही इन्होंने पूजा खत्म की
हाँ।
तो भाई साहब आसपास के इलाकों में पटाखों
वो
की लाइनें
सारा
लगी।
जगमगा उठा यार पटाखों की आवाज से ऐसी गूंज आ रही है अंग्रेज ही तो अंग्रेजों के पास ऐसी चीजें तो नहीं
आ
है
रही
ना।
थी
अंग्रेजों के पास ऐसी चीजें तो नहीं है
वही
ना
ना भाई हर जगह डांस डांस
गा।
की आवाजें आ रही थी
यार मैं तो सोच में पागल हो गए हूँ अंग्रेज भी हैरान रह गए होंगे हम किधर आ गए हैं
वही ना भाई साहब वो तो
है।
कहते हैं कि हमने तो भाई साहब आज तक ऐसी चीज एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं की जो आज इंडिया में पहली बार एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं
यार इंडिया में खुशियों का दिन है भैया दिवाली खुशियों का
देखो ना
दिन है
भाई साहब ऐसी सेलिब्रेट की कि अंग्रेजों को भी अपना दीवाना
तुमने
बना
कभी
दिया।
देखा हमारे पास अंग्रेजों ने आके ईद ऐसे मनाई हो या ऐसी सेलिब्रेशन की हो
मुझे
उधर
तो
जाके
मैंने
दिवाली
देखा।
के मौका पर देख अगले इनवाइट कर रहे हैं उनके घरों में जा रहे हैं
भाई गोरे गए
हाँ
और गोरों का ऐसा अपना बनाया कि गोरों को फील ही नहीं हुआ कि भाई ये पराए घर के लोग
हाँ
हैं
साथ चाय दिए साथ वो मीठा दिया है देख कौन करता है वजाद मोहब्बत
कौन
करने
करता
वाले
है?
लोग
वही
हैं
ना,
प्यार
मैं कहता
करने
हूँ,
वाले लोग हैं
भारतीय जैसा मोहब्बत करने वाला हो ही नहीं से कोई सकता
पूरी दुनिया उठा के देख रहे सनातनी जैसा प्यार करने वाला तो ये कभी दुनिया में नहीं मिलेगा
सही कहा।
जितना ये प्यार दुनिया लोगों को देते
सही
हैं
कहा तो यार आपकी क्या थॉट है तेरी वीडियो तुम
तो
करते हो?